This is a demonstration, and please pardon the fingernails, of how to wire wrap teensy tiny briolets. I place the briolette on my wire. Actually, I think these would take 26. And cross my wires at the top. And I use my poor beat up Lindstrom pliers, and I sort of pinch because I like a nice tight fit there. I don't want them rocking around on the wire. And I make sure that they're at a nice angle to the bead, and then I grab it with my round nose pliers right underneath the place where the wires cross, and bend the short end down and straighten, and then I grab that short end and wrap it around the long end, and here I'm using 28 gauge round wire and rainbow moonstone bead. And if there's any excess, you want to clip that off. And flatten it down. And then you go back to the top. Make sure everything's nice and straight before you go back to the top. And then go to the top and make sure. I'm trying to do this and it's so far away from me that I may have to do it twice, because I'm not doing a very good job on this. And there's the briolette on the wire, and come up from the top and wrap that way, and around and around, and clip, and straighten everything up and pinch everything down, and there's one wrapped briolette.